You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I've tried to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. The world will turn.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday. Ayun, thank you so much sa lahat ng natulong mo sa akin. Ayun. Ngayon, graduate na kami. I wish you all the best. More blessings in life. And good health for you and your family. I love you so much. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Sir Lee. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Wala po ako sa posisyon na to kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. Isa po kayo sa mga pinaka nagbigay ng inspirasyon sa akin kung saan man po ako ngayon. Wish you all the best, nothing but the best. Good health and long life. Happy birthday, Sir Lee. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my friend. How old are you? O yan, nawala na tuloy. Maraming salamat for being a friend. Happy birthday. I love you.
There are lines upon my face from a lifetime of smiles. And when the time comes to embrace for one long last while, we can laugh about how time really flies. We won't say goodbye, 'cause true love never dies. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be.
Termineses, this is for you. Happy birthday, Sir Meneses! Happy birthday!
Ako pero nakasakit. O sige.
Para mabilis na. Oh, go. Dali na! Game, mabaho!
Game na!
Okay, nakapasura ba?
Terorista!
Mabaho ba?